Yo, bro, play with me. I want the cup, bro. I want the cup. Yeah, I want the cup. Yeah. Yo, motherfucker, you know what I'm doing? You guys got it. I want the cup. You guys gotta win in the field, bro. Not by mail, not by text message, okay? Yeah, we want the cup. We want the cup, bro. Yeah, we want the cup, bro. We want the cup. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. It's our cup, bro. Let's go. We want the cup, bro. Come on, man. We want the cup. Trophy! He took my trophy!
اخوان هذه كرفان ديال اشهر مشجع مغربي في العالم. ديما مغرب! Let's go Morocco! Many of you know that I love Morocco, but most of you do not know why. I lived in Casablanca, worked an internship out there, got asked a question when I was in college by my best friend Adam. Do you want to come to Morocco? It's a question that changed my life. I fell in love with the people, the culture, the places, the cities, Casablanca, Rabat, Tangier, Mdik. All of it has absorbed my heart. I love all of you. I love your culture. You guys are amazing. Best in the world. Number one. Like ja.
شكون هو احسن ماتش تفرجت فيه ديال المغرب؟
Brazil was amazing. We're not satisfied with ties. We only win. So Scotland was the best. 1-0 Morocco.
I'm singing. I'm an American streamer. I'm doing a World Cup tour. However, I'm an American, but I believe Morocco.
We are currently outside of a Waffle House in the middle of nowhere, Kansas City, Missouri, and we are now on our way to Vancouver, Canada, somewhere on this map, all the way on the West Coast. It is a 28-hour drive. It is going to be gritty. We are going to be in the middle of nowhere. We are going to see some crazy things, but we cannot wait to bring that to all of you. Day 6, going on to day 7. I am hearing you! World Cup Tour, let's go! We just finished up in Atlanta, Georgia. Morocco got the win against Haiti. I'm with King going bet one. And guys, we are looking for potential security that can help us get from Atlanta all the way to Mexico. Morocco, Morocco, Morocco! Dima Maghreb! Guys, this is a serious inquiry. If you think you can help us get a RV from Atlanta to Monterrey, Mexico without any trouble and security, please let us know. We love you. Dima Maghreb! Morocco! Morocco! This is the experience of an American at a Moroccan World Cup game in New York. I can't wait. Let's go! Dima Maghreb! Ole, 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 ole! Si! Dima Maghreb! Let's go! Let's go! Say hi! Say hi, Morocco! Wow, 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 wow! Yeah, Maghreb, Maghreb! Mwah. Maghreb! That's amazing, right? This is my application for Warren Buffett to use my code on Prize Picks. We are here in Omaha, Nebraska. And Warren, as a fellow entrepreneur, I'm asking you to use my code TQ over to your apps just to ask you, bro. Please. Thank you. Yeah! Say hi, look! Beep beep! Look! Guys, we are on the 20-hour drive from Atlanta to Monterrey, Mexico, just to root on Morocco in their World Cup match against the Netherlands. On our way, I got a call from Abdullah, my friend from Saudi Arabia, who offered me free tickets to today's match against Cabo Verde. As you all know, Morocco and Saudi Arabia are like cousins. We love each other. And so I could not pass up on the opportunity to support Saudi Arabia as well. And as always, Dima Maghreb, but I know Moroccan Nation is rooting for Saudi Arabia in their match today against Cabo Verde. So today, in honor of Morocco and in honor of Saudi Arabia, it is not only Dima Maghreb, but it is also Dima Sodia. Let's go! We are on the way to Houston! Dima Maghreb!